Ibinahagi ni John Mark Tocong ang kanyang makulay na paglalakbay sa pagiging international champion. Ang kabuang detalye alamin natin sa ulat ni teammate JB Hunyo.
Mula sa simpleng paglalaro sa dagat gamit ang plywood bilang surfboard, nagsimula ang hilig ni John Mark Marama Tocong sa surfing noong 5 taong gulang pa lamang siya. Na-inspire sa kanyang mga kaibigan at pinsan, natuto siyang sumakay sa mga alon sa kilalang Cloud9 sa Siargao Island, Surigao del Norte.
When I was a kid, it's inspired me with all my friends and cousins. Like I've been watching them what they're doing, and I was like, what are you bringing? So I watched them surfing, and I was like, oh, that looks fun. So I have a try, and I kind of like it. And my cousin and all my friends like helping me to, push waves and try to get more on surfing. So yeah, it's pretty much like all the first generation also like teaching me how to surf. Inspired.
Mula sa takot sa malalaking alon hanggang sa unang barrel na kanyang nasakyan, nadala siya ng pagmamahal sa surfing hanggang sa magsimulang lumahok sa mga local at international competitions. Una siyang sumali sa isang grommet competition kung saan nanalo siya ng 1 kilo ng bigas at sardinas, isang simbolo ng kanyang pagsisimula sa larangan ng surfing.
So grateful, really, like to represent our country, like everywhere I travel, I always bring the Philippine flag, and I'm so proud to be Philippines. And like traveling around the world and like all the communities here in the Philippines, I can't travel without their support. And this is why I'm so grateful for having sponsors and the community here in the Philippines and such a the kindness and support, and then giving me like so much love. So I am fully grateful for all like the support that they give me, and without them I don't think I'll be joining the competition.
Ibinahagi rin ng Siargao Champ kung paano naging parte ng buhay niya ang surfing. Iginiit niya na bukod sa ito ay sport, ito rin ay itinuturing niyang stress reliever.
Surfing, it's not like a sports. It's kind of like part of my life. Like when I'm stressed, I go surfing and just chill there, and like surfing, keep me present in the right moment, and just like waiting for the right waves and catch the wave. And after I surf, everything's good.
Ngayon, hindi lamang siya kilalang surfer ng Siargao, kundi isang world champion na nagdadala ng bandila ng Pilipinas sa buong mundo. Bilang isa sa mga pinakakilalang Filipino surfer, nag-iwan din siya ng mensahe para sa new generations of athletes.
To all the grooms that want to be like, to surf and try to win more competition, first, I want you guys to go to school, and after, go surfing and just have fun.
Si Marama ay isang patunay na ang bawat alon na kanyang sinasakyan ay hindi lamang para sa karangalan, kundi ito rin ay para sa pagrerepresenta ng bansa kasama ang mga pinakamagagaling na surfers sa buong mundo. JB Hunyo para sa Atletang Pilipino, para sa Bagong Pilipinas.